Only you can make all this world seem right. Only you can make the darkness bright. Only you and you when you hold my hand, I understand the magic that you do. You're my dream come true, my one and only you. Only you this change in me, for it's true, you are my destiny. When you hold my hand, I understand the magic that you do. You're my dream come true, my one and only you.
Naka-wish ka na?
7.5 wish.
Hipan mo na, Nay, pag naka-wish ka na, ha?
Ano ba? May kamay. Pwede na?
Ano?
Naka-wish ka na? Oo. Oh, hipan mo na, wag mong hahawakan.
Ihip ka lang.
Ihip lang. Ito, hipan mo dyan. Yan, sige, hiyan.
Yeah! Yay! Galing ni Nana, yay!
O, sino pang ihip na din?
Alis na. Kakain.
Baka kasama ano ko.
Panapanahon ng pagkakataon, may babalik ba ang kahapon? Natatandaan mo pa ba nang tayong dalawa'y unang magkita, panahon ng kamusmusan, sa piling ng mga bulaklak at halaman, doon tayo nagsimula mangarap at tulad. ng ating kahapon. Ang mga puno't halaman ay kabiyak ng ating gunita. Sa paglipas ng panahon, bakit kailangan ding lumisan? Panapanahon ng pagkakataon, may babalik ba ang kahapon? Ngayong ikaw ay nagbalik, tulad ko rin ang iyong pananabik. Makita ang dating kanlungan, tahanan ng ating tulak at pangarap, ngayon ay naglaho na. Saan nahanapin pa? Lumilipas ang panahon, kabiyak ng ating gunita. Ang mga puno't halaman, bakit kailangang lumisan? Panapanahon ng pagkakataon, may babalik ba ang kahapon? Lumilipas ang panahon, kabiyak ng ating gunita. Ang mga puno't halaman, bakit kailangang lumisan? Panapanahon ng pagkakataon, may babalik ba ang kahapon?
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Ayan na.
Hooray! Hooray!
Happy birthday, nanay. Happy birthday, nanay. Birthday, nanay.
She may be the face I can't forget, a trace of pleasure or regret, maybe my treasure or the price I have to pay. She may be the song the summer sings, maybe the chill the autumn brings, maybe 100 different things within the measure of a day. She may be the beauty or the beast, maybe the famine or the feast, may turn each day into a heaven or a hell. She may be the mirror of my dreams, a smile reflected in a stream. She may not be what she may seem inside her shell. seems so happy in a crowd, whose eyes can be so bright and so proud. No one's allowed to see them when they cry. She may be the love that cannot hope to last, may come to me from shadows of the past that I remember till the day I die. She may be the reason I survive, the why and wherefore I'm alive, the one I'll care for through the rough and ready years. Me, I'll take her laughter and her tears and make them all my souvenirs. For where she goes, I've got to be. The meaning of my life is she.
Bato mo dito.
Nay. Nay, kain na, Nay. Oh, subo na.
Uy, Lugis, huwag daw sumilip. Lagot ka kay Kuya.
Owe.
Owe. Owe.
Natin. Nay, kain na, Nay.
Ako na bahala.
Wait lang, ikaw. Oo.
Nay, kain na, Nay.
Na creature.
Ako na bahala.
Wait lang. Bili. Ulit.
Lead me, Lord. Lead me by the hand and help me face the rising sun. Comfort me through all the pain that life may bring. There's no other hope that I can lean upon. Lead me, Lord. Lead me all my life. Walk by me across the lonely roads that I may face. Take my arms and let your hand show me the way. Show the way to live inside your heart all my days, all my life. You are my light, you're the lamp upon my feet. All the time, my Lord, I need you there. You are my light, I cannot live alone. Let me stay by your guiding love all through my life. Lead me, Lord. Lead me, Lord. Even though at times I'd rather go alone my way, help me take the right direction. Take your road. Lead me, Lord, and never leave my side. All my days, all my life, you are my light. You're the lamp upon my feet. All the time, my Lord, I need you there. You are my light. I cannot live alone. Let me stay by your guiding love all through my life. You are my light. You're the lamp upon my feet. All the time, my Lord, I need you there. I just cannot live alone. Let me stay by your guiding love all through my life, all through my days. So lead me, oh Lord. Lead me.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Blow, blow, wish.
Oh, Nay. Iihip na kayo, Nay. Ihip na, Nay. Dito ka sa kabila na. Okay.
Hip na. Oh, palakpak na.
Yay!
Oh,
Kain
na.
na.
Kain na kayo.
Bless na po siya. Will pray.
Look
Oh,
at this.
sino mag-pray?
Oy, Kadong. Ay, Kadong. Pray.
Oh, sige, Kate. Ito mag-pray.
Del,
Happy birthday!
Del. Dito ka. Tabi ka kay nanay. Ayan, dyan. Ay, binitawa mo. Baka mo yung flower mo. Dito ka, lapit ka kay
Kumatin yung pa. Ayan.
Ikaw, Daddy, sumama ka na. 1, 2, 3. Yan. Okay.
Oh, you see? Me, I've taken my share, but you take care then, okay? You see, okay, Tia? I will go home na. Yes. Anong galing? Kinuusap siya. Sasagot siya, no? Ano?
Hintayin niyo muna kukunin niyo sa
Pero
sasakyan.
kung-
Iyatid daw kayo. Pumayag ka.
Oo, kausapin mo muna
Ay,
ng kausapin
kumayan?
kasi wala pa yung sasakyan niyo.
Agad ko nga ba ito?
We used to be frightened and scared to try the things we don't really understand why. We laughed for a moment, then start to cry. We were crazy. Now that the end is already here, we reminisce spout old yells and cheers, even if our last hurrays were never clear. Farewell to you, my friends. We'll see each other again. Don't cry, 'cause it's not the end of everything. I may be miles away, but here is where my heart will stay with you, my friends, with you. Yesterday's a treasure, today is here. Tomorrow's on its way, the sky is clear. Thank you for the memories of all the laughters and tears. And not to mention our doubts and our fears, the hypertension we gave to our peers. It's really funny to look back after all of these years. Farewell to you, my friends. We'll see each other again. Don't worry, 'cause it's not the end of everything. I may be miles away, but here is where my heart will stay with you, my friends, with you. Farewell to you, my friends. We'll see each other again. Don't worry, 'cause it's not the end of everything. I may be oceans away, but here is where my heart will stay with you, my friends, with you. Friends, with only you.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday. Mama, dito, dito. Kaniyak. Happy birthday to you. Dito, dito. To you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Mag-wish ka na daw, mother.
Wish ka. Anong gusto mo magyari? Wish.
Blow.
Marami pang birthday. Blow. Sige, iip na kayo dala na yung yelo. Diyan, iip na. Hawakan mo si, ano.
Blow na, blow.
Yay!
You're my dream come true, my Happy birthday to me.
Alam mo, ang galing ni
Huwag
Nanay.
masyado malakas na.
May dancer ko.
Happy birthday,
Kasama ka
Daddy.
na. Oh, sino naman?